Let's talk a little bit about the post-serial lawsuit against OK Go. I think there's been a lot of confusion about that. So I figured even though I'm on the road, let's chat. Post filed a lawsuit against the band OK Go. Why? Post wants to file a trademark called OK Go for a line of cereals, probably ready-to-made cereals is my guess. And actually, the band sent the Post what we call a cease and desist letter. Now, we've heard a lot about cease and desist letters, but we haven't really heard a lot about what happens after you send a cease and desist letter. One of the pitfalls of sending a cease and desist letter is that the potential defendant in a lawsuit who receives that cease and desist letter may have the ability to go to federal court, especially in trademark law, because everything is federal, and say, we want the court to say we are not infringing upon this trademark. Now, in that particular case, what has to happen then is that the now defendant who asserted the trademark claims, who would have been a plaintiff, also has to file a counter lawsuit for the trademark infringement, as well as answering the complaint that's there. So, really, what's happened here is that Post started using the phrase OK Go on cereal. OK Go, the band, did not like that particular use of the phrase OK Go, despite the different sets of goods and services. The lawyer sent the cease and desist letter, and in response to the cease and desist letter, Post decided to take that uh, issue to their home district court, and they filed what we call a declaratory judgment asking the District of Minnesota that they are not infringing. So that's one of the things that happens when you send a cease and desist letter. It can backfire on you, and you might actually wind up being a defendant in a lawsuit where they're being asked to say that they're not actually infringing. You have to make sure that you write your cease and desist letters calmly. You must make sure you need to write your cease and desist letters specifically, and you need to make sure that you're not really going to kick up dust. But that is certainly one of the things that can happen. And in this particular case, that is exactly what happened. Now, the lawsuit just started, so we have a lot to determine, especially a lot to determine about OK Go's use of the trademark OK Go, and if it's a trademark that is famous enough that all other uses should be banned. To me, that's going to be the one and only question on the trademark case. Take care.